Vantara, a renowned rescue center for captive elephants and other wild animals founded by the visionary philanthropist Anant Ambani, is preparing to welcome 20 rescued elephants. They include 10 males, 8 females, 1 sub-adult and a calf. All of them, in fact, had been freed from the exploitative logging industry in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, this rescue operation, carried out with the approval of the high-powered committee constituted by the Tripura High Court and entrusted by the Supreme Court of India, has been conducted with the full consent of the current and present owners of these animals. These elephants will soon find their permanent homes at Vantara, which is an environment naturally mirroring the native habitat for these animals, where they can now live chain-free and will never be forced into labor. In fact, in the exploitative logging industry, elephants do suffer greatly as they are forced to carry very heavy logs, and they also work tirelessly for long periods. And they are treated as machines, stripped of their dignity and well-being as well. At Vantara, they will have now the opportunity to rejuvenate their lives as elephants should live. And with that, it's time for us to take a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be back with lots more. Keep watching.